What's up, guys? This is Drew from Passive Profits. In tonight's video, we're going to go over M1 Finance review with investing. Literally, sometimes getting started is one of the hardest parts. And this is why I'm really pitching and loving M1 Finance. It solves that problem. M1 combines a free account, zero commissions and trading fees, easy to use defaults, and no minimum balance in a great robo-advisor, which allows you to override and customize investments where desired. It's sick. Using M1's easy portfolio allocations, including amazing default options, you'll be ready to invest in almost no time flat. Advanced users can borrow money cheaply using their portfolio as collateral, or try M1's checking account or advanced paired features. Also sick. The bottom line is I'm completely being earnest in this review. M1 Finance is a great app. I am a customer at about $600 and I plan to ramp that up and do a money cost average over a long period of time with some ETFs. I'm no longer a trader, I am an investor over a long period of time. That's what M1 can do for you. Make it easy. I trialed M1 Finance as an option to put excess cash to work without dedicating too much time to the effort monthly. I really prefer changing my cash and allocating it around 1 to 3 times a year. I can't beat the market, but M1 is a perfect way to not even try. It's a hands-off roll and it's an awesome option for beginners as well. However, this is not an app for a trader. The lack of money, order types, and limited trading windows mean M1 Finance is just for the long-term investor. The most obvious missing feature in M1 Finance is the lack of tax loss harvesting. M1 does take pains to minimize your taxes, but automating TLH would be a great feature on top of the current system, seriously. Sign up for a free M1 Finance account. The bottom line, get $30 when you deposit $100. M1 Finance is an amazing free robo-advisor for people getting started with investing and those who want to see it and forget it. Just like me, I'm a long-term investor. Free trades, fractional shares, and easy asset allocation are awesome features that make investing simple on the platform. I highly suggest trying M1 Finance if you're just getting started or you want to reduce friction in periodic investing. Sign up in the description below for a free M1 Finance account and get $30 free when you deposit $100. Also, this is Drew from Passive Profits. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe thing, and you'll get my videos if you want them. I don't know if you want them. I doubt it.